Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. All right, guys, it is wash day. Your girl has been wearing a protective style for a long time, so it's time to let the tresses out, let them breathe. Haven't had the chance to check out my latest video where I'm talking about the best protective styles for the summer? Please check that out. I'll be sure to link that down below in the description box so you can check that out. Okay, so like I said, my hair has been in a protective style, so my hair needs some babying, okay? I need to nourish these tresses. I'm gonna show you my complete wash day process after protective styling. In starting my wash day process, I always start with a pre-poo. Today, I'm gonna be using the SKALA pre-conditioner. This is a Brazilian type of hair system. I found this actually on TikTok, y'all. Look, the TikTok girlies are over there giving me all the tea. So I am using the SKALA conditioner as a pre-poo. So my hair has already been put into sections, and now I'm just going to section it off again and just spray it with water. I'm using the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit spray mist bottle to dampen my hair, and then going in with that SKALA preconditioning to loosen the tangles of my hair. So like I said, I always do a pre-poo. I have recently started using the SKALA deep conditioning because it's so good, okay? You get a whole lot for a little bit. I actually found it on Amazon. I discovered it on TikTok. And yes, it melts the knots and the detangles away. I love it because it's very smooth. The consistency is almost like lotion. And once I work that through my hair, I just kind of twist it up in sections and moving on to the next sections of my hair. As you see here, I am only using my hands on this part of detangling my hair. I do not use any tools. Not right now. I don't use any tools. I use my hands to work through all the knots to prevent any additional breakage or additional shedding. Of course, during the pre-poo process, I always like to dampen my hair with some water and then going in with that product. I'm taking a generous amount, okay? If you have been following me, you know that I am heavy-handed. All right, the product said a little goes a long way, but whatever. I'm just going to use as much as I need to get my hair detangled. So I love this stuff. Like I said, I discovered it on TikTok. It is actually a Brazilian hair product, okay? So I'm trying something new, but I think it's been so good for my hair. And once I finish applying it to my hair, I just twist it up and I move on to the next sections of my hair, repeating that same process. Starting that detangling process on the last sections of my hair. Let me tell you, detangling and doing this process takes the longest because you have to take your time. Especially once your hair has been in a protective style, you just want to take your time, treat this like a spa day, and make sure you're not rushing to prevent any additional breakage. Now it's on to the good part, the actual washing of my hair. So right now I am rinsing all of that SKALA product out, all of the pre-poo, making sure my hair is free from a lot of the debris, just letting that water seep through my hair. And then following it up with the Miche clarifying shampoo. I love this shampoo because it has the nozzle and I can just use that to get right into my scalp. Like I said, my hair's been in protective style and I need to get my scalp clean, and this shampoo is amazing. I love the lather on it, and I just use my fingers to work it through to create that lather, holding my hair taut at the ends and just focusing that product at the scalp of my hair, making sure I'm loosening all of the debris and the dirt and the sweat that I accrued while I had my hair in the protective style. And during my shampoo process, I make it a point to shampoo my hair at least 3 times, okay? I am not stingy with shampoo in my hair. And another thing I do is that I apply the shampoo not only on my scalp, but down the strands of my hair because we want to get all the hair squeaky clean. Another thing I like to do is go in with my TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit shampoo brush to reinforce that scalp, making sure my scalp is massaged and releasing any additional debris that I did not get with my hands. So using my shampoo brush to kind of rake it down the strands of my hair. We're not only going in on the scalp, but we are not forgetting the strands. It's no strands left behind over here. We want to get all of the hair clean. Once I've completed shampooing that section of my hair, I then move on to the other sections of my hair, repeating that same process. Now it's time for the conditioning process. I'm going in with the Miche Strengthening Protein Rich Conditioner. I love this conditioner because it packs a mighty punch and a little bit goes a long way. I just take some of that conditioner and I emulsify it in my hand. That's another thing. You have to emulsify your products when you're applying it to your hair. It just makes it for easy application. So I'm just taking a generous amount of that conditioner and applying it to the outskirts of my hair. But let me tell you something. You got to get the middle of your hair, okay? So we're parting the sections and we're using some more conditioner to get into the insides of the hair. And I think a lot of people make that mistake. They only put the conditioner on the outsides of the hair. But again, we're not leaving the strands behind. So we have to make sure that all the hair is coated with the conditioner. So I'm working that conditioner in my hair and making sure I'm using a generous amount and also not neglecting the ends, putting it at the root, but also working it down the strands of my hair and putting it on the ends. And also, I don't mind applying the deep conditioning or doing the deep conditioning in the shower. One thing to note, I don't have the water running the entire time. It just works better for me, and I find that my hair just agrees with me doing the deep conditioning process in the shower. Now that the conditioner is applied to all of the sections of the hair, it's time to go in with the hair tools. I'm using the shower comb from the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit, and I'm just starting from the ends of my hair, working my way up to the scalp and just loosening that hair up and detangling as I go. Using that shower comb to loosen up the tangles throughout the sections of my hair, and then making a point to let the water run down the strands of my hair to help with that detangling process. Now I'm going in with my favorite detangling brush of all time. It is the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit detangling brush. I have been using most of the tools in the curl kit because it is ideal for any natural for wash day or styling of your natural hair and navigating your natural hair. I'll be sure to leave the link to the kit down in the description box where you can purchase it. I like using this brush vertically because it helps glide through my hair really well, and it gets that last bit of shed hair out of here. Now that the shampoo process is over, my hair is feeling so clean, but not dried out. So that's what we want. So next, I'm going to be following it up with one of my favorite oils. This is the Miche Rosemary Mint Oil. I'll be applying drops of that to my scalp and using my fingers, the balls of my fingers, to massage that oil right into my scalp, and taking my time with massaging that oil into the scalp and then using some of that oil to bring it down the strands of my hair. Repeating that oil application through all the sections of my hair. And I love this oil because after the application, it just makes the scalp feel so refreshing. It has that tingling sensation, which I love after having my hair in a protective style. All right, guys, that is my full wash day routine after having a protective style. Listen, my hair feels so good. It feels so refreshed. My scalp can breathe. As much as I love a protective style, it's very important to protect the hair underneath. And going through these steps with my wash day helps me preserve my curls and retain length and moisture. Have you heard of any of the products that I just mentioned in my wash day routine? Comment down below and let me know if you're familiar with any of the products. And of course, I'll leave all of the products that I use or mention during my wash day in the description. And of course, I'll leave the link for the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit. All right, guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.